Hi, I'm Chad Duplantis. I'm a restorative dentist from Fort Worth, Texas. And I'd like to talk a little bit about primers. You know, we hear so much about how integral our bond is, not only to the tooth, but to the intaglio surface of the indirect restorations that we place. I've used several silanes, I've used several zirconia primers over the years. ZRP from Vista Apex is one of the best products that I've used in that marketplace. It's in contrast to many of the other primers on the market. It provides a sheen so that you know that it's there when you place it in the intaglio surface of the restoration. As far as bond strengths are concerned, they've shown very impressive bond strengths compared to some of the other competitors. And although the name is ZRP, it can be used on multiple substrates such as zirconia, metal, and lithium disilicate, which are the three main restorations that we place in our everyday dental practices. So I would strongly encourage you, if you're looking for the best bond available, try ZRP and see how it can benefit your practice.